Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today and I have a new phone. So I hope that the sound is good. I have not tried it with this phone yet. So if you hear me, let me know how it sounds. I'm gonna try to tag people if I can. Hello. Good morning, Jean. Awesome, thank you for letting me know about the sound. Good morning, Maria. I can't tag anybody for some reason. Ugh. Oh well. Good morning, Yanni. Yeah, I'm not able to tag anybody today for some reason. So if anybody can tag Gina and Cherry, her name is Cheryl, Cheryl. That would be great because usually Cherry can't find the live for some reason. But if you can't, it's okay, don't worry about it. They can connect later. Thank you, Maria. I know, Yanni, it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful day today. And the reflection in the water is gorgeous. Such a nice little park. I really love it.
What do you see the turtle?
Good morning, Mariella. Good morning, Gina.
Hear that? That's a frog.
That's a frog. What is that?
That's Kalashik. That's Kalashik.
All right, it is time for us to start.
That's a big turtle.
So yesterday we talked about the creative power of words. So let's stay with it a little bit longer. And since we're exploring a Hawaiian practice, this one, Ho'oponopono, is Hawaiian, I want to draw your attention to some powerful Hawaiian words integrated in daily life over there. Probably all of you know the traditional Hawaiian greeting, aloha, which is basically the equivalent of hello in English. But did you know that it means literally presence or sharing of breath, sharing the essence of life? So it's a compound word. Alo means presence or sharing, and ha means breath, the essence of life, which is equivalent of prana, right, in Sanskrit. So the word aloha symbolically means to share breath or to be present with the essence of life. It's so beautiful. So whenever you whenever people greet each other in Hawaii, they automatically create this energy of loving kindness, of presence with the essence of life. And just like in the English language, hello is usually followed by how are you, in the same way, aloha is usually followed by the phrase, and I can't vouch for pronunciation here, but something like pehea kala or pehea ku piko. And these two phrases have really amazing meanings too, also containing the energy of Ho'oponopono. The first one is literally translated, how is the sun, which symbolically refers to that ball of light we've been talking about for the past couple of days. So basically it's a thoughtful inquiry, meaning how are you tending your light? A reminder for the other to tend their light. And the second phrase literally translates as, how is your belly button? Which sounds funny, but has a powerful symbolic meaning. Our belly button is a spiritual center which connects us to our parents, siblings, extended family alive on earth at this time. So in asking Pehea ku piko, we are really asking not simply how are you, but we are inquiring after one's entire family. And of course, the power of loving connection is very present within these words. So I'm sharing all of this today to draw your attention to the aspect of Ho'oponopono that focuses on our deep connection with all that is. And you can bring the energy of Ho'oponopono, which is essentially the same energy as loving kindness that we've been working with many days, this universal unconditional love, to every interaction you have throughout the day, to the very first interaction you have with any person. Yeah, maybe we don't say aloha and these phrases, how is the sun or how is your belly button, but you can imbue the same meaning into the words, hi, how are you? How are you really? So let's do our Ho'oponopono practice today, focusing on this aspect, our connection with our entire family across all generations, and by extension, with our whole family on this planet, with all that is. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice. Perhaps, like me, starting with the external sounds, sensations, and little by little, going in and in, acknowledging your physical sensations, your thoughts, the way you feel emotionally, everything about this moment. Let your breath be soft and comfortable. No forcing, simply staying with the breath, becoming your breath as you inhale, as you exhale. Invite effortlessness into your body, softening from the inside out. And start the Ho'oponopono verse. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as you repeat it over and over again, perhaps you can intentionally focus on your connection with your whole family, regardless of what relationships exist within the family. Your connection with your ancestors, your connection with all that is the grander family on this planet. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm going to be silent for the next few minutes, letting you have your own experience of this practice. As always, if something distracts you, whether it's a thought or an image or physical sensation, try not stopping the verse, but kind of bring it to the background and focus your full attention to that which distracts you until it releases its hold on you, until it passes, and then return full force, 100% attention to the Ho'oponopono verse. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let's complete our practice today with repeating the Ho'oponopono verse 3 times together. I'm going to lead the way, taking pauses in between the lines so that we can all say it together, creating a powerful energy of interconnectedness through loving kindness, through the energy of Pono, harmony with everything that is. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you go through your day today, I invite you to pay attention to how you greet people who you meet. Are you asking, how are you on autopilot? Or do you really want to know how they are? Do you really want to remind them through your greeting to look within, remind them to tend their own light in the best possible way? Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.